In this video, we're going to complete the Khan Academy Challenge Simple Snowman. So it's really important anytime you're doing a Khan challenge to read the instructions here. So this is step 1, and we're going to draw a snowman using the ellipse command. So we need to make a circle at the bottom for the snowman to look something like this over here. And it says we've suggested some good values in the hint code, but you can change those numbers around. So this is the hint right here. So all you have to do is come over here and type ellipse, L-E-L-L-I-P-S-E, and then do parentheses, and then let's do like 250, 240, sure, and 310 and 150 and 150. Close your parentheses and then do a semicolon. And then if I scroll down here, you can see that I was able to draw a circle there. And all of these numbers correspond to something that's related to this circle. So this one right here, if I change this to 300, then that makes my circle way wider. So I need these two numbers at the end here to match so that it stays to be an exact circle. That one's probably too big now, so let's change it back to 180 and 180. So these two numbers at the end tell how wide and tall it is. These numbers here tell how close it is to the bottom. So if I change this to 180 also, this one is for side to side. This one is how close it is to the bottom. 180 moves it up into this screen here. So I really want to keep this one pretty high number so it goes close to the bottom. So let's do 290 almost all the way to the bottom and put this one back to 200. So you can just kind of play around with these numbers and see where you get that to show up. And it says you might not be able to fit all of your snowman if you make it too big. So I probably need to turn these down a little bit. So let's do 150 and 150. So that looks great. So then you just come here and you click next, and then you have to read the instructions again. Now draw a second circle for the middle of your snowman using another ellipse command, and make sure the second circle is a little bit smaller and it sits on top. So we're going to enter and do ellipse parentheses 200 should be good there. And then this one let's try also to do 200 for this one, and then let's do 120 and 120, close my parentheses and a semicolon. So hey, that looks pretty good. So I have the 200 is the same right here because that is where where it is side to side. So that looks pretty good. But this 200 is smaller than this 290 because it's farther up the page. So then I need to click next step, and then it says make a third circle. So let's do ellipse 200 to keep it in the middle, and this one's going to be even higher. Let's try 150, and let's try 90 and 90 and a semicolon. And then it's telling me that it seems too far down, so like his head is like stuck into his body, so I need to move him up a little bit. So let's try 100. Nope. Let's try 80. Nope, that's not the right, I'm not typing in the right thing. I need to work on this one. So let's try 180. Nope, I need to make a bigger number, 250. Nope. Let's see here. Something's not working here. Let's try 150. Let's try 130. All right, that's what I was looking for. So by getting a smaller number, it moved closer to the top. So 290, this circle here is 290 spaces away from the top. The middle circle is 200 spaces from the top, and the top circle is 130 spaces from the top. So that's an example of how you complete that challenge and build a snowman, and you just started doing your first coating. Thanks.